today we are going to be reading the micrometer screw gauge. So the question says we should what is the reading of this gauge. So this is what the picture of the section of the gauge. So the first thing we need to understand is how does a micrometer screw gauge look like. So this is the picture of the micrometer screw gauge and the various part of it. So we have the U-frame, the anvil, the spindle, main scale, the circular scale, and the rest of them. So now what does a micrometer screw gauge does? Like as you can hear the name micrometer, that is to the 6th power, negative power, that is 10 raised to the power minus 6 of a meter. So micrometer screw gauge is used for very small measurements, smaller than that of the vernier caliper, and its own accuracy is to the point of 0.01 millimeter. 0.01 millimeter. Yeah. So now the uses of the micrometer screw gauge. So the uses of the micrometer screw gauge: number one, it is used for the measurement of the thickness of paper. Now if you look at the thickness of our paper, you see that it's very small. So it is the micrometer screw gauge that we can use to determine that thickness. So number two is the dimension of wires, and also it is used for very small length. So now let's go to the question we have in front of us. What is the reading for this? So solution. So the first thing we know that a micrometer screw gauge have two scales. So it has the main scale and it has the circular scale. So what is the main scale reading? Main scale reading is the reading before the circular scale. Now coming to this place, you see that this is 0 millimeter, this is 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter. This is half, so this is 4.5 millimeter. So the next thing we are going to talk about is the circular scale. The circular scale is the point of coincidence. That is, where does this line coincide with the circular scale? Now if you look at this very well, this is 15, this is 16. So this is going to be 16, so it coincides on the 16 map. So that is going to be 0.16. So what is the reading on this screw gauge? So this reading on the screw gauge is the addition of this main scale reading and the circular reading. So this is going to give us 4.5 plus 0.16, and that is going to give us 4.66 millimeter. So thank you very much for staying with us in this video. So remember to subscribe to our channel.